Hi, this is for the this is a tutorial of the reflection part of your project, or any project for that matter. Those questions are right here. We have show and discuss how and why you completed your first draft. So an example of that, I might go to show you in Docs. I chose Docs because you can easily access it on the computer as well. It also has pretty good Spanish autocorrect, but you could handwrite it if you wanted to. And this is an emailed picture of the classroom, but I just screenshotted. You could screenshot something. You could take a picture and email it to yourself from Camera Roll, so you can have it on the computer if you want to screencast using Screencast-O-Matic. And you might talk a little bit about your rough draft and all that stuff. Next, you would work on putting it into your rough draft. So I would take that text. So those of you that handwrite it have to put it in, type it in as well. But maybe you want to put it in slides. Maybe you want to put it in Keynote, or you can even do slideshows in YouTube, or right out of you could use iMovie as well. But there's a bunch of ways you could do a slideshow of some sort and input audio onto it. But I'm going to put images, my poem in this case, or whatever your project might be, and then so this is a question about how your rough draft worked. Why did you use slides? Or why did you use pages or whatever? And this is all the stuff before you actually create the final product, screencasting, recording, and then making an aura or whatever you might do. And then how did you create your final product using computer, iPad, Screencast-O-Matic, YouTube, etc. How did you do that? And so for me, my preference is to use Screencast-O-Matic. I would screen cast a slideshow with my voice over it, read it, all that stuff. And then, the last question is how difficult was it? Just reflect on it real quick. And what did you learn or were reminded of that you didn't know? So we went over this is a review of grammar, maybe some new grammar if it's another project, and you have probably learned some stuff with some technological tools as well, if you tried something new or whatever, and just how you feel about it in general. Adios.